Hello, today we're going to work with the distributive property and we're going to do some basic examples. Example 1, in this case, is going to be 3 times x minus 2, close parenthesis. The only thing you have to do here, since it doesn't have an equal sign, you just have to multiply and basically just simplify it. Okay? The outside number, what the distributive property means is that the outside number, you're going to multiply it times whatever it's inside the parentheses. In this case, the 3, you multiply it times the x. 3 times x is just 3x. Whenever you multiply a number and a variable, you just put them together. Because right now, they don't give you the value of the variable, so we don't know. So you just multiply 3 times x, it's just 3x. Now, the outside 3 is going to multiply the negative 2. When you have a sign in front of the number, that sign belongs to that number. So in this case, we're going to say 3 times negative 2. Okay, so this is what this means. 3 times negative 2. Okay, you already know 3 times 2 is 6, and like we said before, in the order of in the law of signs, a positive and a negative is going to give you a negative. So negative 6. Okay, and that's your answer. Example number 2, you have 7 times y minus 3. Okay, again, the outside multiplies the inside. 7 times y is just 7y, a number and a variable, you just put them together. And then 7 times negative 3, 7 times negative 3, negative 21. And that's your answer. Example 3. Negative 2 times x plus 3. The only difference between 1, 2, and 3 is that number 3 has the negative outside the parentheses. The outside number is negative, but it is exactly the same. The outside number multiplies the inside. Negative 2 times x, just put them together, write them together, negative 2x, and then negative 2 times positive 3. Remember, negative times positive, it's a negative. 2 times 3 is 6. And that's your answer. Okay? And the last example we're going to do, example 4, it says negative 4 times y minus 2. Okay? Now the difference is that we have 2 negatives, but of course it's easy, it's the same thing. The outside multiplies the inside. The negative 4 is going to multiply the y, and like we said before, number and variable, you just write them together. When you multiply, 4 times y is negative 4y. And then negative 4 times negative 2, negative times negative is a positive, and 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? Remember, you need help with your homework, let us know.